Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Well, you've probably guessed it, we're outside a hotel in downtown Paphos, and we're going to go make a very special video for some very special people. So I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Ochin Krasivia Lebeuf.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again. Today is a most especially video for you. Not for you, Mr. Paul, but Miss Josie and Mr. Steve. This video is especially for you. Just smile.
So stick with us, Josie, Steve. We are going to storm the reception of the Leonardo Plaza Cypria Maris, or I think that's how you say it. So stick with us and wish us luck, because we understand there is a Gumbaru looking at us, but hopefully he is going to let us wander around and not disturb us. There's the sign just to let you know exactly where we are. Leonardo Plaza Cypria Maris Beach Hotel and Spa, and they're going to give you a very big welcome indeed. Let's follow the rear end of Krasivia Lebeuf. Here we go. There it is. Look at that. So we are in the main foyer of the hotel, and it truly is a very luxurious hotel. It's a great hotel indeed. We know many people who have stayed here, and they've all told us that it's absolutely fabulous. There's the main reception area. Very cool indeed in here, Krasivia Lebeuf. It's a great hotel indeed. Let's go that way, Lebeuf. Let's go and have a look at what's going on over here. We've got a nice garden area, so we're going to have a little wander around in that, and we're going to show you some of the relaxing areas. There's one of them. Let's follow your rear end, Lebeuf, because out here you've got bungalows, a Greek taverna, you've got a sushi restaurant, you've got a swimming pool, beach area, pool bar, and a jacuzzi. Very nice indeed. There's the rear end of Lebeuf. Pirouetting around as she normally does. Now, down there you've got the Greek taverna. Over here you've got some gardens and you've got some bungalows, and at those bungalows you've actually got their own private little swimming pools. Let's go and have a look and see if you've got a look. And there's a nice bar area, isn't it? Look at that. So that bar opens in the evening, obviously. Stick with us. We're going to go and have a little mosey around the swimming pool areas of these bungalow apartments that they call us. So let's follow the rear end of Krasivia Lebeuf. Up you go. Look at that. So if you're fortunate enough to get one of these luxury ground floor bungalow areas, you get your very own raised deck area and your very own paddling pool, and that looks very nice indeed. Have a look at that. What do you say, Krasivia Lebeuf?
Wow, I would choose this.
Yes, there we are. Steve, Josie, I think you've made a great choice indeed. In fact, this may even be better than the last hotel that you stayed in, because this is that little bit more private.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe six floors overlooking on you.
Yeah, it's quite a private area, so you've got your own private swimming pool, and now we're going to go back in and take you into the main reception area and then back into the main restaurant area, which is that away. So stick with us, and we are going to follow the rear end of Krasivia Lebeuf. Here she goes again. She's like a little monkey running around. Come on, get in there, and then take a right, Krasivia Lebeuf, and try and stay away from the security. Wow, look at that. What a great reception area it is. Krasivia Lebeuf has found the bar. Wow, that's a nice bar. Wow. Where are you off to, Krasivia Lebeuf? It's a bit warm, isn't it? Right, let's stick with us as we exit the main reception area. You've got a piano, you've got another bar, restaurant. Come on, Krasivia, let's get into the restaurant. Let's go and have a look. You never know, we might get to steal a croissant or something savoury and tasty, although they may stop us at the reception. Go on, see if you... Off you go. Here you go. Storming in. As we go. Have a look at that. That is the main restaurant area. There's the main exit over there. Stick with us. At the moment we're being hunted. There is someone in hot pursuit because she understood that we're not supposed to be here. But this is a very nice restaurant indeed. Have a look at that. Wow, absolutely spectacular. Now we're off out to the main swimming pool area, and then we're going to get ourselves down to the blue Mediterranean Sea. Have a look at that. Stick with us. We follow the rear end of Krasivia Lebeuf.
as I could notice.
Keep going, the booth. There's something playing in the background, and we haven't got time to linger with the gumbarus. There's always music playing in these hotels, so we have to get and move on. But we want to show you the beautiful area, and that is the Asian cuisine restaurant with a great, spectacular view out to the blue Mediterranean Sea. Come on, Christina, the booth. There's a lot of music playing in the background, and it's cross-ending with each other. There's music there, there's music there, there's music over there. So let's get this way, because we understand that the main pool bar, it's absolutely banging out. Go on, Christina, the booth. Let's follow your rear end. So here's the downstairs gift shop. Very good gift shop indeed. Have a look at that. It's quite a big gift shop, and it's selling pretty much anything you can want, from bags to swimwear to hats to shoes to shawls to swimming toggle. And Receiver LaBouffe has found herself a mirror. Absolutely spectacular. Stick with us. We've got to keep going. There's a bit of music playing in the background. There is the main pool area, and what a nice pool area it is. But as you can hear in the background, that music is banging out. So we're going to work our way through the downstairs restaurant area, which is that one. So this is the a la carte downstairs restaurant with great views over the pool. It's a great hotel. So get yourself on a big bird or a canoe and start paddling like crazy. That music is ramping up, Crescivia. Come on, let's get a move on. We might even have to run in a moment. Let's follow the rear end of Crescivia LaBouffe. Get us out to the plage. So that's the blue swimming pool. Great pool. You've got a kiddies jacuzzi. And you've got a further main pool area over there with a main pool sunken bar. Wow, what a great place to sit and enjoy your days. Soak up the sun, have a cocktail or a cold drink or a frappe. Have a look at that. Now, Mr. Dave Jono, there's even a few views for you in this hotel, as you may have noticed. We've got a couple of rear ends and a couple of front ends, but stick with us. We are going to get out onto the hotel coastal pathway, and we want to show you the beauty and the spectacality of the blue Mediterranean Sea. This is the coastal pathway area. Have a look at that. And over there is the San Antonio Water Sports, and they'll take care if you want to go parasailing, bobcatting, all the things you can think of. They'll take care of you, and they will treat you very well indeed, and they take security and safety very seriously. Receive Yellow Booth.
Wonderful, beautiful.
Should we follow your rear end? That's the blue Mediterranean Sea. You've got like your own little private bay, and it's absolutely spectacular. You've got a pier out there that allows you to walk out before you transcend. And, well, at the moment it's closed, but they are under maintenance, if you understand me. It's a great area, a great location, and it's only a stone's throw away from the promenade area. 10 minutes that way, you're there. 15-20 minutes, you're in the harbour. And if you want to go to somewhere tranquil like the white church with a blue roof, that's that away. Again, 10 minutes, great place. And if you want to go and book yourself some water sports, that's the place to go. Great place, and they will look after you and treat you with huge respect. It's the San Antonio Water Sports, and they've got everything going on: jet skis, parasailing, all sorts of things. Crescivia LaBouffe.
I would like to say that all the hotel looks pretty nice. The food and the people are happy. No, the food is not happy. The people are happy that eating that wonderful food. And as I see, it's quite packed. Especially now, as Cypriots also coming for their holidays. We would love to say to you, Josie and Steve, that we're missing you. We remember about you and we talk about you. Thank you very much for watching, and come to see another of our madnesses. Many kisses. We're loving you to bits, and bye-bye.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and if you do like what you see, hit that like, click subscribe, and please come back for a little bit more of our madness. I'm going to leave you with the beauty and the spectacality of the downtown Paphos area, starting off with your hotel and scanning around to the blue Mediterranean Sea. Here we go. one of these days she's going to fall on her jumper, that is for sure.
Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you, Miss Josie, Mr. Steve, sometime next year. Hope you've enjoyed it. The view, well, it's absolutely spectacular, and we are missing you. Have a look at that.